at this moment as a closure, but I also feel it's a starting point for many of us. And I think at the other night I said one sort of picture or illustration about when Shoucheng first gone. You know, I feel like two of our life, it's like two circles. And as we get married, we merge in and merge in, and to the point that luckily, we are not like a one circle, but we have our own interest. You know, Shoucheng does a lot of physics, which I don't have much clue, but maybe some of you can thank me because I always, you know, I study math. I don't have much, but I like this, you know, simple sort of easy equation. So I always say, explain to me, and then he explained. I said, I don't understand, you know. I think Stephanie explained a little bit. So then he will go down, and then so some point, then I understand it, and then it's just simple and beautiful. So he always like ask questions, you know. So that's him, you know. He love, like whether you know or not, ask questions. Then he will just open himself, you know. He love questions. He himself like a child, and he want you to be a child to have a curiosity and keep, you know. That's why he get into all this area. But I just say, luckily, you know, he has his own field of physics and other things, and I have my field, you know. I work for IBM for 25 years, and I do software, and I do tennis, you know, which we don't. So, but as we marry along, our circles kind of merging together, not quite as one, but very close. As he was leaving, I thought I'm independent, but actually he took a majority of my life, you know, my life circle away. So I feel like I was like a quadrantal moon hanging there, feel so lost, you know, so dark. But then with this conference, with the memorial service, I feel I get his part back, you know. It's not quite there yet, but I do see my quadrantal moon is growing bigger, and my friend sent me a message, say, Barbara, remember 15 days, you know, but she said, I don't expect 15 days, but she want me to see this quadrantal moon, it's growing bigger, and, you know, I truly thankful. And I think in this conference, by talking to many of you, I don't think it's just me. You know, many of you share so many wonderful memories. I feel the loss is just not me, our family, you know, like close friend like you guys. It's just really the community, and maybe even bigger. So I now feel like I'm also responsible, you know, to help you guys, and as you were helping me to really grow together. You know, we all missing some part of him, but let's, you know, together we can feel each other, the missing part, and hopefully we will be strong again and really build this community strong again. And again, last, you know, I want to thank you, the organizer, Noel, thank you so much. And thank you everyone for coming and for staying so long. And Brian, thank you for brave enough to give a talk in this podium. And just, you know, keep moving, and let's keep getting together. We are living on Stanford campus. I don't have any plan to sell our house. So this is also like your home, and just, you know, contact me or contact Steve and Xiaoliang. I will be there and welcome you all. Thank you again.